What's going on, everybody? Mark Pack here, co-creator 912homeworks.com, and I wanted to show you some possibilities that you might can use on your home. So right here behind me on this bay window, you notice we have two operable windows in the middle. So it's like two really narrow double hungs. So that's something that we could actually go back with, or if you were able to flip the camera around and see just how beautiful her backyard is, or maybe you have a beautiful backyard, then you're thinking, well, if I was to open that window up and get rid of that vertical obstruction and those horizontal obstructions, it'd be a lot better view. So not a big deal. A lot of times, this vertical mullion is really aesthetic. So there is no integrity to that mullion in the middle, so that can actually be removed. And that'll make it to where you can put a larger open window in there and not have the obstruction and be able to see out a little bit better. So just remember, I mean, not always, you kind of want to check with a certified contractor to verify that your center mullion is not structural. And in this case, the header actually goes from either side of the window all the way across the top. So this is just purely aesthetics, and we're going to remove it and put a larger window in there. So we're thinking about getting that done. Reach out to us, 912homeworks.com. You can use our instant online calculator or our 24/7 promise. Put down $24, have somebody come out within 24 hours and have it installed within 24 days. That's 24/7 promise.